This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. Sited in the maintenance-free gated community of Chalet Estates is this well-kept 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a bonus flex room. The spacious living room offers vaulted ceilings, ceramic tile flooring and an oversized glass sliding doors leading into the lanai. The eat-in kitchen features cabinetry adorned with crown molding trim, recessed lighting, gas range, closet pantry and a breakfast nook. The formal dining area offers vaulted ceilings and wood laminate flooring. The spacious master bedroom suite features wall-to-wall carpeting, a walk-in closet and patio access. The master bathroom offers a comfort height vanity with custom mirror, water closet and a walk-in seated shower. Other amenities include a guest bedroom with walk-in closet, den with wood laminate flooring, laundry room with upgraded high-efficiency washer and dryer, partially fenced-in backyard with no rear neighbors, architectural shingles, irrigation system, gutters, extended screened-in lanai with a luxurious Therapeutic spa tub, pull-down attic stairs, glass storm door, double pane windows, upgraded HVAC system and a 2-car garage with retractable screen door. This active senior community offers a waterfront clubhouse with heated pool, fitness center, patio area and access to Lake Suzanne. Enjoy living in this maintenance-free community conveniently located near shopping, medical facilities, and major routes. Furniture can be purchased for an additional fee. For more information,